Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of deactivating a community in WhatsApp. Whether you're an admin or a member, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Step 1. If you haven't already, head over to the Play Store and type WhatsApp in the search bar. Step 2. Look for the phone icon with a green and white background. Tap on it, then tap the Install button to download WhatsApp. Step 3. Once the download is complete, tap Open to launch the WhatsApp app. Sign in using your usual credentials. Step 4. In the chat section, look for a little option to the left with a multiple profiles icon stacked. Tap on it. Step 5. You will see a list of communities you are currently a part of. Specifically, the communities where you are an admin will appear first. Tap on the community you want to deactivate. Step 6. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu until you reach the option Deactivate Community. Tap on it. By following these simple steps, you can easily deactivate a community in WhatsApp. Deactivating a community can be useful if the community is no longer active or if you no longer wish to be part of it. Please note that, as an admin, deactivating a community will remove it for all members. Make sure to inform your community members in advance and discuss the decision with them if necessary. We hope this guide was helpful in assisting you with deactivating a community in WhatsApp. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more WhatsApp tutorials and guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching, and happy WhatsApping.